The water is dark green, cause a bird died. This is the highest pH I've ever seen. So with the app Manage Your Pool, first I shock with a lot of chlorine. Say hi to the camera. Now I use pH reducer, again a lot. Brush to lose the algae. More pH reducer. Take out the feeders. Wait for chlorine to disinfect. And now let's flock. Gonna be using 2 different flocks, again calculating with the app Manage Your Pool. Wait again, and everything is at the bottom. With the F for Fernando, I vacuum to waste. Add trichlor tab, and that's it.